Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to Switzerland. Oh my God! Because this is a Eurovision Week 2025, Eurovision Song Contest 2025. And we have our top big six. Oh goodness gracious. I know that you have your top also. You are rooting to someone who will win in this Eurovision Song Contest 2025. And the title of this video that we have to do some reaction for today is the Eurovision 2025 potential winner, 6 big contenders. And I hope you believe in this top 6 also. Sorry to the supporters who are not in this top 6 of ours, and credit also with the owner of the video to ESC Silver. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for our video commentary and video reaction purposes. And yeah, please do consider like and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And let's get to it. I really want to hear also with you at the comment section, what are your thoughts with regards to this performances or the top 6 or our big 6 for the Eurovision Song Contest. Let's get to it and enjoy with it.
You're a superhero.
Switzerland in Basel. Albania. Let's start this video with Albania. My favorite song of this year, Zirm, is a masterpiece. The ethnic elements, the choreo, the impact they serve, the lyrics, the visuals, the atmosphere created, insane charisma, and I could keep on going. Zirm is what Albania desperately needed to have a strong comeback at ESC, and I hope they'll keep this strong path. Actually, consider this entirely potential winner. It's super jury-friendly. Viewers will also be obsessed with the surely it's not a clear winning song. It could be such a dark horse that could end up taking the trophy. Tirana 26. I'm so ready. Oh my God, Poland could honestly be one of the most surprising entries this year's. Gaia is definitely not made for the juries. I think we all know they're probably ranked it low, but that doesn't mean it's out of contention at all. Yes, I agree with this one, because there are people also will not like it. There are people, or majority of them, they will like it because of, I think, Yastaina will give us a surprise during the final performance of Eurovision Song Contest, because many or majority will be rooting with her to win in this year's Eurovision Song Contest, and I'm one of it. The staging already looks super strong and has a lot of potential to elevate the entire song. And let's be real, the televote is going to love this. The diaspora alone enough to give its televote top 5 result, and audience will also love this. Yastaina will not be forgotten. And I agree, it's a bit of a wild card, but I couldn't count Poland of yet. Everything comes together like this could be a moment of Poland and Polish. Even that Justina is like 50 years old or more, but her performance, her like tone, her vocal quality, her range, it's superb and phenomenal that we have to root with this amazing lady from Poland. The dragon, the lips. Finland also. This is like I haven't making some video reaction in my channel for this amazing, but I read some few strong comments about this young lady perform. It's because she's fantastically incredible also. Finland really knows how to do Eurovision. The whole package is just too captivating. Erica is a storm on stage, and she alone sells the entire song. If the performance was already huge at UMK, I can't even imagine what it will be like this week. I feel like no one is ready. The rehearsal was so great and good. Finland clearly wants to win Eurovision again, and juries might be their biggest obstacles this year once more. It's not that they're conservative, but they usually dislike this kind of songs. Maybe there will be a change this year. Who knows? I think this you can consider Finland a real contender for the trophy, and that would be well deserved. Yes, sometimes it matters with, I think it might be there's a politics of the juries, but I hope and I wish that there's none, and they will choose the best of the best who perform so well, who have the has the like the songs meaningful and the way they perform in the stage, who captivated the juries, who captivated the audience. And I think Finland is also is a strong contenders this year. Oh my God, Luan also from France. I really like her. I did some video reaction of her performance during the submission of their entries. And Luan is so amazing. She captivated the hearts of many, especially when she sang the song, the emotions, the like the choreography, the dances, the emotions. She just put the compassion. It's like captivating and phenomenal. France also seems to understand their job when it comes to Eurovision. This year, they bring us a touching ballad that, with the staging like this, can do wonders in Eurovision. Maman is just so touching, and you really feel Luan's emotions all over the song. Yes, you can just stay indifferent to it. The thing is, juries will obviously love this. However, for the televoting, it will really rely on the whole package, since voters don't usually give much attention to this type of ballads. France will need to have an impactful staging that will make people actually vote, which I think they have a feel many winner vibes here. But let's see how right or wrong it was. We have the same sentiments with the owner of this video, because I think she has also the best performance, the best emotions she put in the song. She has to win something. She has to make so different that people will love, and even juries will love her performance. She is amazing. She has to like the one to beat. Oh my goodness. Gigi also was on the Big Six. Goodness gracious, I can't believe it. JJ is a half Filipino, Austrian, and the story that I made some video reaction of him, it's so fantastic. The way he just delivered the song, it's so dark, it's so intense, but it tells something so like the captivating story of it. It's so like generous. It's thing that you really have to like to survive of everything. You have to be courageous and be motivated. He did an amazing job performing in Eurovision Song Contest. I wish and like the juries will vote with this amazing guy from Austria. For sure, one of the biggest contenders for the trophy, Wasted Love, is such an original track with a clear progression that keeps building and building until the final explosion, and people will not stay indifferent to that. Juries will 100% love this track, especially with the outstanding staging it will have from what we can see so far in the first 30 seconds of the rehearsal, the performance of them during the rehearsals. And my only concern would be the televoting. Will the audience love this enough to make it get through the trophy? The thing could. I wish JJ the best luck, and no matter what, already with this country, so proud. Yes, and I agree with you because JJ will make, I wish he will surprise us. He will surprise the juries. He will surprise the audience with his final performance so that people will vote and the juries will vote majority because Austria representation, it's like incredible. Wow, it's so nice. Sweetie! Bara. One of the best band and performer of this year's Eurovision Song Contest. It's fun. It's like it's quirky. It's they're handsome. The beat of it, the song, it's everything that you truly enjoy. This guys, this band from Sweden, the Barabada Basto, you will love the performance, you will love their performance because the way they just deliver it, it's so phenomenal. It's amazingly great. Honestly, this feels like the winner for me after 20 years, sending pop after pop. Sweden finally decided to take rest and embrace their language in the best way possible. This is such a fun song in every aspect. Correct, and I agree. The staging is captivating, the choreo is catchy, and KAJ or Kai just make everyone happy with their energy. It has everything to be timeless Eurovision hit. Oh my God, Kai is an amazing band from they represent Sweden, even that they are from Finnish, they are Finland, but still these guys are so fantastically graceful. Their voices, it's like amazing also. Although most people don't want Sweden to win again, and I could be one of them, they would deserve. Oh my God! For me, I wanted them to win because they just so great in their performance. We'll appreciate this enough because it's Sweden and this is song made it for a bit televoting result so that it won't be problem for Sweden too. Stockholm better get ready because we might be going there in 2026. Wow, I'm so happy to know with that one also. For me, I wish that they will include it in the top five or big six because even they will not win, but still if they are in a top stronger, I that would be I'm happy for it because I'm rooting with Sweden. I'm rooting also with Poland. I'm rooting with Albania. I'm rooting with France. I'm rooting with Israel. There's so much that I'm rooting for. And JJ also. And also with Kyle from Norway. There's a lot that I'm rooting for that I really love their performances and their song. But no matter what it is, no matter what the result, we have to respect. But those are our bets to win. Oh, bravo with this one. Good. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, those are the top big six. I will include also in my top like the Israel. I really like Yuval Raphael. Yuval, she sang with pure emotion, compassion, and the story that she tells about the October 7th event that she is a survivor of that attack of that massacre that happens, and we are continue praying of the war that happens and exists in that time. And also to Kyle Alessandro of Norway, I was rooting with him because the way of his emotion, the way how he sings, it feels me. I even cried with his performance, and also to JJ was included in this. But I was rooting also with another country. What is a country that I missed that it was a strong contender? There's so much to choose from, but this is my big six, and including with Israel and also Norway. Oh my God. Just let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts with this top big six of mine, and yours also. Just put it in the comment section. But we are rooting for Poland to win this year's Eurovision Song Contest. Thank you so much. I hope guys you enjoyed with this, and if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to Eurovision Song Contest performances, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And thank you so much. Mabuhay kayong lahat, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys. See you in Switzerland, Basel for Eurovision.